Hi, I'm Anna Guest, registered dietitian with the Ohio Beef Council. Today's Bowl with Balance recipe has a Korean flair. So this bowl actually involves very little cooking. We're going to grill our steak, create a very tasty sauce, and pair it with our fresh vegetables and some pre-cooked brown rice. I've got our skillet that's been warming. We are just going to add our steak right to the skillet. You could also cook it over a grill if you would like. So now that our steak has been cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees, we are going to let it rest for 5 minutes. While the steak is resting, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce that goes on our bowls. So this is 1/4 cup of soy sauce and some sesame oil. We're going to combine the two and stir them together until they are well mixed. So to build our bowl, we started with a base of brown rice. We have shredded cabbage, broccoli, kimchi, sliced cucumbers, and shredded carrots. We've garnished it with a little bit of green onion. We're going to add our steak. And then we are going to top with our sauce and garnish with a few toasted sesame seeds. Find this recipe and other bowls with balance at ohiobeef.org.